Alright, first fish. Something's weird. I think it's a smaller perch on the troll. Actually, it's a really nice perch. I'm not keeping anything today, so he's lucky. That's a nice perch. Yeah, today not keeping anything, but again, one of the best ways to catch fish in the fall, trolling with swim baits. Look at that guy. Nice perch, good keeper. Again, getting back in, using live bait. Well, here's live bait and using swim bait. See which one does better. So let's see. Pretty decent start. Something decent on here. I want to say, yep, bass. Yeah, this is a bass. Yep, I see the mouth now. 2 species now. Yeah, not bad one at all. Get back in. Nice. That's something decent on live bait. That's bass. Nice bass. Oh, yeah. Live bait. Look at that. Hey. That's what this fish like this time of year. Nice. He's getting fatten up on these, on live bait, blue gill, whatever you can get his mouth on. Begin back in. Alright, now the troll. This is a weird fish. Might be a crappie. Yep, really big crappie. You ain't getting kept, so you're good. There you go. Bass, perch, bass, and now crappie. Oh, ow! Alright, another fish on the troll. Right after that crappie. He almost got us in the snag. Like, big time. Now it's a perch. Smaller perch. Not a bad one. Get him in. Shiner imitations work great. Live bait does. Later season live bait will definitely prevail more. Get a little bit more picky, but now they're kind of after whatever. But some days they hit better. Some days, you know, it's always like that. But generally, swim baits or whatever work well. This might be a crappie. Oh man, those head shakes. I do not like those head shakes. Those head shakes are nasty. Look at those head shakes. I don't know if you could see that, but those head shakes are friggin'. He's coming at me. It's either a crappie or a big perch. It has to be a crappie. Holy shit, a big pickerel. Huh. Look at that. Oh, I got my lure back. Okay, I'm gonna say this is a perch. Ain't really fighting. It feels kind of weird. Big one, too. Man, he sucked that thing down. It feels decent. It's either a blue or perch. Hey, perch are back. Another nice one. Nice little guy. Nice. It might be a crappie. Holy hell. There he is. Look at that. Nice crappie. Wow. You gave up, buddy. Hey, don't worry. You ain't going to be kept today. Sun's going down. Nice crappie. A little multi-species today, but these fish want that shiner imitation. Live bait, swim bait, this ain't early season, but later season they want that live bait, but now they're not as picky. They like that swim bait. I don't know what we have, but it's nice. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, he got snagged. Aha, that's why. He still feels nice without the snag. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it's a nice walleye. That's what it is. Ooh. He's fighting good. There we go. This is how you get them. This is what happens this time of the year. When it's cold, these fish go in deeper water. This big basically ridge line here drops off, a big drop off. These fish are here. They want that bait, and look at that. Boom. And they want that right there, swim bait. These fish want this swim bait this time of the year. Very nice fish. Nice fish, getting back in. So I'm talking about, they want that live bait this time of year. Fall time, live bait. Fattening up for the winter. Get back in. Nice, let's go. Alright, something else. Ooh, bluegill. Yep, really big bluegill. Wow. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is probably a perch. Nice fat perch. Get him back in. Alright, I think it's more of our last fish of today. Might slow down a little bit. I'm kind of shocked. That maybe pick back up a little bit, but no, it's a bluegill. A lot of bluegill today. Wow, that's a pretty bluegill right there. Get back in. Nice. All right, guys, that is it. Good day. Very good day. Not crazy action, but a good day. Caught a different species. Perch, crappie, bluegill, pickerel, walleye. Really good day. Really good day. It slowed down that bluegill was the last fish, but really good day. Live bait's gonna be the key. Trolling's really good because you can cover a lot of water in a good amount of time. Live bait's good if you can pinpoint them in one spot and just drop it on top of their heads. And they're not there yet. They're not like that yet. They're in an area, but they're not in one specific location. So, gonna call it a day. Great day. I'm gonna see how next time is. Big perch. Yeah. Nice. That was kind of unexpected. That was right by the friggin' shoreline. Following it in. Throw them back. I'm not going to keep any, I think. First fish of the day. Here at the home lake now. That's a nice perch. Really nice fat jumbo perch. Get him back in. Nice. Nice. Wow, that was okay. Nice. So today, I'm using live bait late fall now. It's late fall now. So now live bait is kind of an essential piece to catch fish. So I'm going to keep using live bait. I do have artificial with me, but I'm mainly going to use live bait today. But hopefully I can catch some more. We'll see. We'll see if we catch any more, but hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Another nice one. I thought it was grass at first. Nice. Nice. I got my bait back too. Nice jumbo perch. These fish now are these deep. Oh, what's my bait? There it is. These fish are these deep holes now. Getting ready for the winter time. It's pretty much almost winter. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Very nice fish. That's a good keeper. We don't need any fillets, but throw him back. These fish like these small bait now. Fattening up for winter time. Nice, nice, nice. Get my bait back on the hook and see if we get some more. These fish especially school up now. Especially now. I wonder if this is a perch. If it's a perch, it's huge. What is that? It is. This perch has to be huge. Well, it is huge. I see it. You can hit like a walleye. Wow. Now that's a biggie. Wow. Wow, that thing's filled with eggs. Whoa. This is a very nice perch. That thing. Wow. Usually these fish like to follow it in too, this bait. So don't ever, you think it's, I know it's late season, but don't immediately reel in your lure if you don't get anything out far. He smoked it. That's like a trophy. That's a nice friggin' perch. Get her back in. Incredibly fat. Nice. There you go. Back with the others. Hopefully we can get some more. Let's go. Oh, nice. Trolling is good in mid-fall and live bait too, but now especially live bait. These fish are hitting it weird. And that's a nice one too, again. Bottom of the mouth too. Wow, that's a nice perch. Very nice perch. Nice. Whoa. Whoa. People say fish don't fight in this time of year. This thing went boom, boom, bolted up and down. There we go, they're back. I think I lost a pike. His eyes are weird looking. I missed a pike and I got cut off by one. I mean, I haven't got anything in a little while. I think I got hooked in the eye. I did. But yeah, what happens is with pike coming in, if you're pan fishing, they'll spook out everything. Ooh, wow. And screw your spot up for a little bit, but they might come back. Alrighty. These fish are hitting close. Either they're following in or they're traveling this drop off, which it's a good ledge, this spot. Nice. Another nice jumbo perch. These are all jumbos. Another nice perch. Nice. Get back in, see if we get some more. Wow. As soon as I cast, I wasn't even ready for it. Wow, that thing like dropped like a bass. Right now it's prime time. Nice. That's a nice perch. Hell yeah. Get him back in. Nice. Yep. Yep. That's the culprit. I don't. Oh, you damn. He's out of it. He's gonna freak out. Well, I'm in front of him now. Okay, goodies. Yeah. haven't caught one of these in a long time. Little schooly northern, right there. Schooly northern pike. See, look what small bait gets you. See, in cold seasons like this, these fish love small minnows, shiners, whatever, and that's what'll get you. Freaking, I caught a lot of nice pike, double the size of this on small baits, and they all do the same thing. They travel that drop off, that ledge. Shit, there we go, nice. Another nice perch. Yeah. Oh, did I snag him? Oh no, I think the line got wrapped around. Oh, I think, I don't know what the hell. Oh yeah, but yep, he ate it. Very nice perch. Guys are lucky I'm not keeping anything, and I'll be keeping you. That's a big, nice perch. Very mature perch. I did catch a small one too, a little guy like this. So you catch fish like this to this size on a little bait, which is good. That means you're using the right bait. There we go. Yeah, you felt weird at first. You tell perch that famous head shake. That like dun dun dun. At first I think it was a small one. I just caught a small one before. Then he felt kind of decent. Like I'm like, shit, that might be a walleye, but then it's walleye's smaller cousin. Heck, this guy's the size of some walleye. Someone caught him before, probably me. Nice one. Get him in. No, he's going back in. There he goes. That was weird. My GoPro took a while to turn on. There, yeah, that was really weird, my GoPro. There we go. Nice one. There we go. Good hit. Good perch. Wow. That'd be another big one. Man, he's fighting good. Ooh. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, it's another freaking giant. Look at that thing. Freaking shiner's still alive. Look at him squirming in there. Wow. That thing is huge. That's a big stinking perch. Alright, get back in. There you go. Whoa. This guy's fighting like a freaking bass. He's a little smaller one. Never mind. No, he's pretty nice. A smaller one than the other ones. There we go. Get back in. There was a pike chasing my perch. Or maybe it was two perch. I wanted to cast my swim bait out there. That was crazy. Because he went towards the top of the water. There's something. I said it was something big. I think it was pike. That's a nice perch. Alright, buddy. See if you can survive those pike out there. I'm shocked we didn't get another one. Oh, yeah. There we go. Nice. Really good day. Really good day. Alright, guys. A great day of fishing. 2 great days of fishing. 2 great days. The day we're on one lake on the boat. Trolling for fish. That was like mid-late October. Caught a lot of nice fish that day. Nice crappie. Nice... That really nice walleye at the end of the day, some bass, but that was a good day. But that was more earlier season. Well, I say mid-season fall. I do good trolling and live bait. Trolling's good because it's faster and you get the fish faster, while live bait, it's more kind of like you're on them, you're fishing slower techniques. But trolling, you're kind of like, you're covering a lot of area with trolling. That's why it's really good that time of the year. Now, basically a month later, I do great with live bait. Don't get me wrong. Actually, at the end, I did use swim bait. I got caught by 2 pike again. So there's a lot of pike action tonight. But I only got 1, but those schoolie pike really cut you off. But anyways, live bait is really good this time of year. Basically, all year live bait's good, but especially in the fall time. Live bait's one of the best ways to catch multi-species. But yeah, great day. Really nice perch. That nice pike. And I probably could have caught more pike, but they cut me off. But anyways, great day of fishing. 2 great days of fishing. Great multi-species action. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.